Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I know I'm like the most annoying YouTuber when it comes to posting videos, but I keep saying I'm gonna do better and then I don't do better, so I'm not gonna say anything. But I decided to do this back to school kind of makeup look, you know, ready for class, kind of chill outfit or whatever. You know, nobody wants to spend a bunch of time early in the morning rushing to class, and you know, because school is more important than what you look like. But if you care what you look like, then watch this video and pause it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and then subscribe. Okay. See you later. Bye. I'm my eyes with this NYX eyeshadow base, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna set it or not. Some people say like don't set it, and then it's gonna, you know, make everything pop more. But we gonna see. I'm probably just gonna set this anyways. Okay. I'm gonna be using the Shane XO. I don't know. We're using something, and then we're gonna use this Morphe brush. Don't know. It's just fluff. Oh, we're putting this in crease, kinda on the brow lid. This is gonna be like a simple look because it's for school, and you know, you gotta be able to do this and just be right out the door. So this is just going all over the lid in a messy way, and just, you know, tap off the excess and get it on there and be extra okay. But we're using the color Terracotta, so yeah, you want to know what color it is. Brown. Try not to get it like on your lid anything, but next we're going in with Beach Babe, and we're going to be using the Beach Cosmetics number 8 brush. It's a flat brush, as you can see. And we're just going to put this all over the lid. There's no right or wrong way to do this, because like I said, do this as messy as possible because you're getting ready for school. If you're in high school, you're gonna be late for the bus. If you're over here trying to be perfect, nobody has time for that. Just get it on there and get your behind off the door. And we're just blending this back in together. You don't want harsh lines, honey. Harsh lines. You just will look a mess. I know you're in a rush and I'm going to hurry up and get out the door, but we don't do those harsh lines around here, boo boo. My skin is glowing today, okay? Like, I'm putting on foundation. Okay, not the point. So we're going to dab in a little bit in the terracotta and just get on the edges of that so it's not too rough. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So next we're just using the NYX Total Drop Foundation. I like this foundation. I just don't like so my face is so weird because my face has my face has yellow undertones, and then like my neck has red undertones. So I tried to get a foundation that matches my neck. Okay, hunty. When I like, you can't really tell in the camera, but if you ever see me like in person, my face and my neck are not the same. I wish it was, but it isn't. Gosh. My forehead is like 10 times the size of this. Not a joke. This is like a back to school look. I'm using 2 different concealers, and it's the Age Rewind. And I'm only gonna put like a little bit. And then I'm also using the NYX Fit Me. Why did I say NYX? Maybelline Fit Me. But before you put your concealer on, make sure, like, if you're like me, oh my gosh, fan down your face. Cause putting concealer onto wet foundation is not like a good thing. Damp foundation, okay. But like, it's really wet. Don't do it, sis. Do it for the coach. I'm back with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and am I using the same beauty blender for everything? Yes. Yes, I am. Do I care? No. No. Some people are like, oh my gosh, I have to use a different one for this and different one for that. Using the same beauty blender is not that big of a deal as everybody makes it seem. Okay. So I'm using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I just rubbed this over my chin. This is the number 360. I don't know if I said the numbers for the other products, but I'm gonna put it in the description. Product from the supply store. Don't know what it is from what it's not. All I know, hunty, it works for me. On turn, on chain. I don't know why I drag it down, but I always do that. It works for me. Don't question what I do. Bring this up to Maybelline, rocking, buying. This will just like complete the look. Of course, you can put like lashes on, but that's if you have time to do that in the morning. Patience is key, and honey, don't have it. Not for makeup. Okay. Okay. I'm just kidding. We're almost done. I gotta take this bonnet off. I look like a human now. Human. So to complete this look, this elf makeup and spritz, woo, that tastes so nasty. You will love me forever, but if you highlight your face while it's wet, honey, your highlight will just be popping all day, every day. So I usually take a flat brush. I have like 3 of these things, and then I get in the middle, and then in the corner of my eye, which you can't really see. I don't know why. And then the brow bone, okay? Like, we gonna get the brow bone highlight popping. I just wanna look like a glowing goddess. Since this is for school purposes, we're using chapstick, and it's from Grwm. You know, if you're in college, lip gloss for the grown and sexy. Chapstick for children in high school. Okay, but this is the final look. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and yeah, this was the back. So get ready with me. Let's give you guys a quick rundown of my outfit. Got on my shirt. Where did I get the shirt from? I got the shirt from Walmart, I think, and then I got this necklace from Forever 21. Not wearing any bracelets or anything because, you know, just a back to school outfit, okay? We ain't doing nothing extra. I got these jeans from the base. And then I'm rocking my bracelets. They're in tan. And I keep my feet up because I feel like you guys can see my feet. Even though I'm short or with nets. But then I got my JanSport book bag. And then we're all ready for school. So, see you guys. Make sure you like the video.